Oops. There's fish. There we go. Ah. Oh. That's well. Oh, he's in the net. Not the best time to go in the rapids, but we're here. Going backwards. Let's try to turn around here. Oh. All right, hold on. Smallmouth. Little guy. Well, that was Old Faithful. Yeah, I know. Oh. Gosh. Oh, there's one. Right here. All right, number 2 already. Sheesh. Huh? Yeah, so far. All right, baby one. Baby smallmouth. Let's get him back. There's one. This is crazy. Every cast is a fish. A beautiful little fish. Huge fish. There's a lot right in this little hole here. Oh, there's another one. Number 4. All right. Another little guy right there. Oh, he's on my sleeve. There we go. Huh? Dang. Oh, there's another one. Oh, you should have brought Old Faithful, sir. What did I tell you? That's already fish number 5, and we're just sitting here at the start. That's another fish number 5. Little smallmouth. What size are we looking for as far as keepers?
11 to 13 inch.
It's about a footer.
Hey, do you happen to have any split shot?
Split shot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I might need some whenever we get to water that we can fish
Oh,
the
gosh.
lizards.
You just want to stop and I'll show you what I do.
Yeah.
There's another little one. Hold on, I gotta get out of these rapids first. Whew. Yeah, let's get him off. Another little guy. I'll put him back. Number 6, I think. Oh, really? Yeah. I think there could be some more decent sized fish in this water. I'm gonna try my crawl. Missed another one?
Yeah.
I'm not really good at this type of fishing. Texas rig. Got him? Is it? Titan, yeah. Is it stuck?
No, it's a big fish.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, my gosh. That's a good fish. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. Look at that. That's a PB for you. Well, if you want to. Yeah, he chunked that thing, dude. It's like a pound and a half.
Should I string him? Take him to 10?
Yeah, I would put him on the stringer. He said put it through the soft part of the mouth. So it should be like a soft part. Huh? All right, number 7 on Old Faithful. Yeah, I think. Looks like it's right at it. Like right at 11. I would just string it up and just show Tim whenever we get to him just to see if he thinks so. I gotta get me one that's actually a keeper. I can't be catching nothing but dinks.
That way, that's where I caught this one just now.
I guess it'll float down that way anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Yeah, my lizard got ripped in half.
When you snag it on the tree or something?
Maybe.
Bad or something ate it.
Yeah, I don't know. But it is in half. Oh, there we go. Little smallmouth. Little smallmouth right before the rapids. Let's get him off quick here. There he is. There he goes. Let's get ready for the rapids here. All right. Ah, there we go. Should be fine. Yep. All right. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, that's not a smallmouth. Oh, that's not a smallmouth. That looks like a spotted. Hold on. That's either spotted or a largemouth. I think it actually might be a largemouth there. But it's a healthy little fish. Let's get him back. All right. There he is. Oh. Yeah, a little bit better. Oh. There we go. Nice smallmouth, baby. Just going on the stringer. Oh, my kayak. So I did end up falling in the water and also losing my paddle. So now I'll be using somebody else's half paddle. So we'll see how that goes. But at least we're catching fish. I'll show you my stringer here. We're actually going to eat all of these tonight. But that's what I got so far. Rock bass and 3 smallmouth. There you go. So not too bad so far. All right, guys, unfortunately, that's all the footage we have for this video because I actually ran out of battery for my camera. But we did end up catching like 60 smallmouth or something like that. We got 15 keepers, had a fish fry. So it was a great time, but thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.